I am going to disassemble one of them and put the other one on top. I've counted, I think there are probably a total of 8 different ways you can wear this. Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. I am super excited that I am actually doing kind of a follow-up video today. If you watched last 2 weeks to Hermès unboxing, you would know that I have scored and unboxed 2 very special Hermès Herbag. So if you have not watched that video yet, I'll make sure I put both links in the description box. Today, the main characters will be this one versus this one because we are going to take them apart as I promised and show you guys. I think there are probably 8 different ways to dress these 2 bags. From the original hardware that the bag comes with, it is completely disassemblable. So I really like the design. As you guys know that I have just recently started a more committed Hermès journey. If you have not followed me yet, I'm here to share all the information that I learned from these journeys. So make sure you click the subscribe button and join today. And on top of that, I have an Hermès triple giveaway that is coming up. So I'll be sharing more details with you guys. Some of you might say, why are you telling us this right now? Because I want you to be ready and I want to prepare you. So if you follow me on Instagram and on YouTube, you'll probably get information from here and there. I will do a more compiled video regarding the giveaway. But today, let's play with these 2 Herbags and show you guys how many different ways we can really style it. I am going to disassemble one of them and put the other one on top. I've counted, I think there are probably a total of 8 different ways you can wear this because we have 2 different hardware colors that you can switch and swap, and we also have 2 different leather top, and from there the bottom of the bag that are made out of canvas are also completely reversible. So there are so many different fun combinations and I really wanted to see what are some of your favorite combinations on these bags. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's project, which is to make an existing Herbag look completely different than the original way that it came in. Alrighty guys, so let's start with the very first bag, which is this beautiful all black hunter leather with black canvas and with gold hardware Herbag Zip 31 with the retorn stitching like I mentioned. And because I do think you have another way to wear this beautiful bag, so I'm going to show you and let's do this together. So first you will start from the left side where the front button is, but you have to make sure the right side is secured. You can actually turn and twist this open. So on the side it will loosen up. And there it goes, a little chain link, and this part is really just an accessory, so you can actually take this out of the little ball chain right here, and voila. So then you remove this button and now you can pretty much pull the rod out completely. Okay, and also just to show you in case if you missed that part, this is a part of the ball chain and I have already removed it as you can see. So this is how you put it back and that's how it locks pretty much. And now we open the flap. Another way to prevent your hunter leather from getting all of the markings from the metal is when you open it, pull it down. And because I already removed the rod that kind of holds everything together, now both handles and also the strap have fallen apart, but that's what we meant to do in this video. The next mechanism I would say on this bag is this little part right here where it's holding the hardware, and you can see that this part is pretty much linked to the backside little hook here. So if we remove the leather tab here, which is really just a stopper to hold everything together, you pretty much just pull it open. So the leather part is out. Now we can take out the metal part. So you kind of take out the straps from both sides. And then you can pretty much remove this very easily, and you can basically take everything apart. That's the top, And this is the leather strap that holds everything, and this is our other hardware. And voila, pretty much you have a Herbag right here. These are all of the parts that's required to put together a bag, which it comes with a bag. I do want to mention that this little pouch did come with a bag, and that is stored on the inside, where you pretty much put this leather piece through the little hook here. I did remove it. And next thing we can do is to flip this inside out. I'm pretty sure this is how the bags are made, you know, so it's not a big problem when you are flipping it inside out. Okay, so once you flip the inside out, you can then see that this is the original inner lining of the bag, and this is the outer lining. And if you really want to have a very sleek and clean look, you can then use this side as the back. And now we're going to leave this and also disassemble the bubblegum color, so then we can mix match these details and make it into however many styles you like on the Herbag. And here she is, the pink bubblegum Herbag with the ruby back. Over here is also a piece that has retorn stitching, so it is the outer stitching which then makes the inside a cellier stitching. But it's a color contrasted bag, and a lot of the Herbags does come in combinations like this, and they do make such a variety. Let's do the same thing on this one, and then we can form some combinations together to make this look really, really different than how it originally looks. So same thing, whenever you want to take this out, you want to hold the right side so it doesn't move, and pretty much same thing. So once you take that out, everything that this rod holds then comes out. I'll leave it right here. And then, like I said, next, either you can take the leather out from here and then remove this little tab, the leather tab stopper right here from the inside. And it's pretty tight on this one right now. You can just push it out and take it out, and voila, this is removed top parts. And originally the bag comes with a inner zipper, and also, you guys know what's in here. It's the lock with the key. So it is right here. This one has silver hardware. That's why I got one of each color. And for example, if you don't like this tan leather, then we can put the black leather on top. So this bag, you can also flip it inside out. And when you do, it is going to look like this. So once you flip it inside out, you pretty much have a cellier styled bag. So depending on the colorways you choose for this style, then the retorn style turns into a cellier with this beautiful tan stitching. And now you have the pink inside, because some people might think pink is a little bit more delicate than this darker ruby color canvas, so they want to turn it inside out. This is definitely another way to go. The only thing is that the original zipper pocket will end up being on the inside of the bag, but like the black one, you can obviously, you know, remove this, but over here I just wanted to show you the original condition, and that's how it comes in. It's really how you like to diversify your creativity. You can now then put a black top on this ruby color, or you can put the black top really on the pink bubble gum. This pretty much gives you a total of 8 different ways to wear these 2 bags. If you have 2 different color combinations, color is really a fun playground. If you didn't end up getting your favorite color combination, then you can buy 2 different colors and then make them a combo that's never seen before. But over here, I'm going to show you guys perhaps the tan leather on the black canvas. So basically, even with the turned out canvas, you can either choose the Cellier style, which is more of a structured looking style, or you can do the original retorn. I'm gonna go ahead and stick to this so you guys can see what it really looks like. So first I am going to put everything back together, and what you're going to notice that's a little bit different is the hardware. You can choose to use the hardware on the different color handbag, or you can choose to stick with the original color the hardware comes in. So it's really a personal preference. I think I'm going to go ahead and do the gold color right here. You know, this would make a really nice combination. We have to start with this metal piece, and the little hole is pretty much where you place everything in the middle, and then the flap goes in first. Next step is to install the little rod here that holds everything. So once you arrive here, we are going to put the leather handle first in, and you can definitely also switch out any of these pieces if you don't like them. A lot of ways to wear this. And these leather is brand new. Now this has completed the bag. Okay, so now everything hardware wise has been installed on the bag. We just need to close everything up. Once again, use a little ball chain that's right here, and you want to place the button back to it, so it's pretty much a little stopper here. Okay, and then just let it fall in and you screw it. So now this is your new combination of her bag, and let me just close her up. This is now how everything looks, and you get a complete new bag from just using a different leather top. Okay, and then this thing, if you want, you can definitely attach the little pouch here, but overall, if you want to leave it, you can leave it. But this is your new bag, and you can definitely do the same thing on the pink one. So the pink one actually gets a black leather top versus the brown. I think the brown is very versatile. could go with a lot of things. So you can get any color with the brown and mix and match it with your other style. I hope this is helpful. Cool, isn't it a super fun process? I think for the cost of the bag and also because you're getting it from Hermès, I do think these bags are really practical because of the bottom part of the bag is fully made with canvas, so you can wash it, dry clean it. I have heard other people sharing this, but I have not started using my bag yet, so I'll definitely keep you guys posted as to how easy it is to take care of it. But considering the fact that it is canvas, you know, it is a very, very practical material. I would highly recommend this bag if you guys like it as well, because if you buy 2 of them, they're around maybe 5,000 to 6,000 US dollars, but you can get like so many different ways of wearing this style. The switching out does take some more time, but I think once you get a hang of it, just by trying it once or twice, you're gonna know that it's very easy to switch things in and out. And it's also very lightweight. You can get, you know, a variety of different colors and switch them up depending on what mood you're in and what color handbag you want to wear. I am now really liking this brown leather top, you know, a beautiful hunter leather with the flipped out cellier style now. I actually really like it. Also, I love the original combination as well, which is the retorn with the black top, but the gold hardware is really the perfect touch. So now you guys let me know if this is helpful, and if you're an owner of the Herbag, would you consider getting another one to start trying these fun colorways? I know a lot of you have shared in the previous videos under the comments that the Herbag is also your very first Hermès handbag, so I'm very excited to hear that. Definitely let me know if you are up to this fun project and thinking of getting another one. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope to see you guys on the next one. Take care now, guys. Bye.